Hi guys, my name is Suvi and I'm a journalist based on the Gold Coast in Australia. Today I'm going to show you something so cool that it's going to lift the results you get from sheet masks to a whole new level. Who doesn't love a sheet mask? Outside of actually going to a spa, they are the best and most relaxing way to nourish and hydrate your skin. Why is that? Well, in order for your skin to absorb all the beneficial ingredients that a serum contains, such as hyaluronic acid, vitamins, peptides and plant extracts, the serum needs to be in a liquid phase. The reason a sheet mask is so effective is because the sheet prolongs the length of time that the serum is in its liquid phase by preventing evaporation. This gives your skin more time to absorb more of the beneficial ingredients in the serum, leaving your skin well hydrated, beautifully nourished and extra plump. The product advice is to leave a sheet mask on your face for 15 to 20 minutes to see the benefits. But interestingly, a beauty therapist told me recently that she actually leaves her sheet masks on overnight and that really plumps up her skin. I thought the idea sounded good, so I tried it myself. But it didn't work as well as I'd hoped it would because the sheet mask just dried up overnight and rubbed off on my pillow as I tossed and turned. It was when I was shopping for more sheet masks on eBay that I found this.
What's that?
This is a reusable silicone sheet mask cover that you wear over your sheet masks to pretty much completely stop evaporation. I admit that it looks hideous, but it works so well that you can wear your sheet mask all night under this. And best of all, it's got these ear loops that hold your mask in place all night so your sheet mask doesn't slip off as you sleep. The difference in my skin in the morning when I wear a sheet mask and this cover over it overnight is noticeable and amazing. My skin looks and feels softer, healthier, much more hydrated and a lot plumper, which gives my face a lifted effect, almost like I've had natural filler injected. Which in a way I have, because my skin has had all night to absorb the maximum amount of hyaluronic acid from the sheet mask that it can. I'm a massive fan of these. I try to wear a sheet mask, an overnight sheet mask with this over it, at least once a week if I can. The only negative I've found with the ear loops is they can irritate the skin on the back of my ears if I wear the mask 2 nights in a row. But I find once a week or even once every 3 days is absolutely fine. Look at this puppy. Okay, now we're going to demonstrate how to actually use these awesome reusable silicone sheet masks. So the first step is we start cleansing our face. Before you wear any sheet mask, it's always good obviously to cleanse your face. So I just use Glow Lab micellar water and I'll just give my face a cleanse. And my little assistant seems to have disappeared under the table. Where are you, darling? Oh, there you are. Okay, do you want to cleanse your face as well? Okay, now we're going to actually put these sheet masks on. So do you know how to put your panda one on?
Yes.
Amity's got a really awesome panda one. I've just got the
look at this.
Garnier Hydro Bomb. Oh, I know, that is so cute. That is really cute.
It's really slimy.
Okay, use a sheet mask, you just open it out like this. And these feel so amazing on your skin. I absolutely love wearing them. Okay, I'm going to put this on like this. And then you really want to just smooth it nicely so that it's as close to your skin as possible. I mean, these look really unreal, don't they?
Yeah.
How are you going with yours, darling?
Good. I know how to put them on, but it's difficult. Since mine is really slimy.
I know. I can help you with yours in a sec, darling.
One.
Oh, very funny. Oh, I tell you what, this feels so amazing. I know it looks stupid, but it's like you're literally giving your skin a spa. Like it's so beautiful. Oh, these have actually got some of them have actually got ear loops in them, but we don't really need to use these ear
Mine
loops.
doesn't.
Yours doesn't have ear loops, no. Oh, it really feels beautiful on your skin. It's like you're giving your skin a drink. Okay, how are you going with
Can we
yours?
do this?
That is really adorable. I love it. That is really super cute. How does it feel on your skin? Beautiful. I know, it's the most beautiful feeling. It's cool and you really, it does not. It feels good. It really feels beautiful. Okay, now for the piece de resistance, these reusable silicone sheets. Don't be awful. Okay, you ready? Okay, darling, are you going to put one of these on? Now, this is the cover that you put over it. So, this really looks great. Wait till you see this. Okay. Very funny. Okay, see? It basically fits over your sheet mask. And honestly, when you sleep with this overnight, it keeps this firm, and it also prevents any wrinkles when you get up, because this you don't have any sleep wrinkles either when you wear this sheet mask cover on your face. And I tell you what, it feels so good. I can actually almost feel my skin absorbing all these beautiful, nourishing, hydrating ingredients. Now we're going to see what Amity looks like with hers. That looks awesome. Let's take a picture for Daddy. Yes. Doesn't this look great?
It doesn't.
Yes, it does. Say cheese. So what do you think? If you like it, get yourself one of these reusable silicone sheet mask covers. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on all the new videos that are coming. Oh, and I can't go without mentioning that my Shells sleeveless top is my own design. You can head over to my shop on art selling platform Redbubble for this and other eco-friendly designs. And the really cute thing about this top is it comes in this really sweet little Ziploc bag, which I love. And then you can reuse it for other things. And in fact, I use it to store my sheet masks in.